gonna have some fun tonight, man. For those of you who are new to the channel, this is my 2021 Camaro ZL1, and we're gonna go crazy. What? I thought that somebody was calling me, man. But anyway, tonight we're riding with the roof open because I want you guys to hear hear everything, man. You're gonna hear the loud exhaust, the supercharger whine. Hopefully we get some races. Usually at nighttime, that's when people be going crazy, so, you know. But yeah, guys, this is going to be the first drive since I got rid of that check engine light, man. I think the problem is finally fixed. Shouldn't come back. But yeah, let's get to it, man. I've been dying to do another point of view drive at night. Some of you guys really like these night point of view drives. I love them too. Oh man, my seatbelt all tangled, man. As you can see, no lights, man. We back at full power. You know I'm going in track mode, man. I ain't playing with nobody tonight. We ain't playing no games. So these videos are highly edited and not real. AI, green screen. Oh damn, look at this. Two cops chilling. AI, green screen, video editing tools, all of that is in use, man. You know what I'm saying? Man, I better take off quiet as hell, boy. AI, anyway, like I said, AI, all these things in use, guys, because, you know, we don't break laws around here, man. You know, so don't try this at home. Don't take any influence from this video. This shit is not real. All right, let's get to it, man. Let's get it. My favorite dealership. Oh man. We active tonight. I'm telling you guys, man, I don't know, like, really, like, when that check engine light was on, the car did not feel like it was at full power. And I've been racing. I even raced the Hellcat, you know, beating the Hellcat, and I don't think I was at full power. But like I said, man, I don't know, maybe I'm just getting used to the power. But at the same time, I don't know. I feel like it's faster now, bro. I don't know. Maybe I'm just tripping, man. Who knows? Yes, sir. Let me put on my my night vision camera. Oh man, lower that music, bro. I can't be getting copyrighted. No, sir. No. Shit, man. Stupid nigga, man. Well, sir, I need all my money. You know, like when I first started YouTube, guys, like I didn't even care. Like I was like, You know, I'm gonna upload all kinds of videos, like even if it has like background audio. I don't care if I get copyrighted. Now, shit. The amount of work I'm putting into these videos, I need every penny, boy. Tell you that. Every penny for that, especially for that gas. You know, boy. Alright, so we getting on the highway. I'll put the roof back open when I get off the highway, probably, because it's about to be super windy. Boy, this car corners like nothing, man, bro. Like, damn, boy, this thing just locked in like it's a fucking train, bro. On Jesus. Oh, that's a Tesla. Let's get it. I see you speeding up. Let's get it then. Let's get it then. Bright ass light, that's a Tesla. Come on, man. Come on. You want no smoke, dog? You want no smoke with that Z? I don't even think that's the fast one. I don't even think that's the fast Tesla. But you know me, I don't take chances, boy. You never know what they got under that hood. I be seeing Teslas with regular fucking gas engines. Hell no. Here he is. Hit it, I'm hitting it. Let's go. Look at that. Yeah, that's why I thought, nigga, you want none of this. Yeah. Want no smoke, man. Hey man, let me stop bullying Teslas. I be bullying Teslas. Hey, one thing I like about this app, it tells you like about the railroad crossings. Man, I don't even think I said the word properly, but the railroad crossings, that's a pretty good thing to know, because depending on the speed you're going, man, if you go for the railroads, bro, you can seriously damage your car. So, wow, you going kind of fast, buddy. What you want now? Hondas can get it too. Definitely speeding. Going 65. Oh. never heard the supercharger this loud before. The car is in Sport 1 right now, and I think those modes, for some reason, like I hear the supercharger louder than when in like what do you call that? Like the race mode. I don't know, man. Chevy always has their own special tuning of everything, man. Alright, we're gonna get at some pops, man, because what's that? Is that a cop here? Trust me, man. Gone in front of me, slammed on those squealing brakes. Man. Hey, bro, if your brakes need to change, don't be doing that, guys. Don't be doing sudden turns and having to like slam on your brakes, man, because yeah, you're gonna end up in a situation that you don't want to be in. Give it a few revs. Boy, this thing. Oh shit. Bro, I'll never get tired of this car, boy, I tell ya. One thing I like those tail lights on the Mustangs, man. That sequential light. Oh, somebody's car is smoking big time, bro. I can smell it. Something not right. Something burning, and it's not my car. Ooh, that was a kind of rough downshift right there, man. So far so good, guys. No check engine lights. I'm happy, man. I'm telling you guys, like, this check engine light kind of had me like feeling that type of way about making videos, because you know, I could drive the car, it's no problem to drive it, but I don't know, something about just seeing the light every time just like kind of annoying to me. And then every time you got people asking about it, you know, so it's like, let's get it done. Hey, once you see that performance shift on, this car is fucking ready, boy. that manual mode feel different. Oh. I'm gonna do one more pull. That sound is intoxicated. I'm gonna do one more pull and then close out this video, man. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. You know, leave a like if you like these videos or if you like the car. And I hope you stay tuned for the future videos, man.
I gotta keep it 100, you niggas don't run shit, but me, I'm the realest though. So I ain't really with the fake shit, dog. We not in kicking mode. I'm one of them.